Commonly used blocks. Beginners can program using block-based programming, which allows users to drag and drop code pieces into an editor. To program our games in MakeCode Arcade, we can use a variety of code blocks, which are listed below. Sprites blocks. These blocks allow you to create and define sprites which represent objects within your game. Sprites can be anything from players and enemies to food items and projectiles. Controller blocks. These blocks allow you to specify which buttons on the controller trigger specific actions. For instance, you can assign button A to shoot arrows in your game. Game blocks. These blocks allow us to control the game's timeline and define win or lose conditions. They govern the overall flow and rules of your game. Music blocks. These blocks allow you to enhance your game's experience by incorporating music and sound effects. Scene blocks. These blocks help you to manage the game's background and screen dimensions, allowing you to customize the visual aspects of your game world. Info blocks. These blocks provide control over essential game elements such as score, lives, and the game clock. Loops blocks. These blocks allow you to repeatedly execute specific code blocks under different conditions, enabling you to create repetitive game logic. Logic blocks. These blocks are used to implement conditional logic to control when specific code blocks execute based on certain conditions or criteria. Variable blocks. These blocks allow you to create variables to store data such as sprite velocity, allowing you to manage and manipulate in-game values. Math blocks. These blocks allow us to perform various mathematical operations that can be used to modify variables and perform calculations within your game. Advanced blocks. This block comprises a range of advanced functionalities including animation blocks, create and edit sprite animations, images blocks, design and edit graphics for both sprites and backgrounds, function blocks, define custom functions that can be called within your program, array blocks, create lists of data for managing and storing information, text blocks, generate strings which can be used for creating character dialogue or speech bubbles. Console blocks aid in debugging and troubleshooting errors in your program. Extension blocks access additional block types such as animations and other specialized functionalities to expand your programming capabilities.